Yes. Now today we start a series for numerology and numbers. Numbers are very unique and very powerful, and it tells so much about you and me, and it tells us what are the things we are good at and what can we do to make it better. That's the only reason. Don't have to get superstitious. Don't have to be fearful also about numbers or knowing numbers. But the thing that you can do is, okay, this is interesting, and this is who I am, and this is who I can become, and this is the weakness that I have, and this is I'll make it a little better. Yes. So number one, people, who are they? Celebrities are, you have in your group, big celebrities. You have Dhirubhai Ambani, you have Mukesh Ambani, you have Ratan Tata, Indira Gandhi, you have Sushmita Sen, Sunil Gavaskar, Aishwarya Rai, Hrithik Roshan, so many of them. And you are also a number one. Those who are watching definitely are number one, or you have somebody who is number one and who you are very close to, okay? And what kind of people they are? They're highly self-motivated driven people. Very, very self-motivated. If they decide to do something, they will do it at any cost. They don't need external reasons to tell them to do something. They have leadership ability. Even if they're quieter ones, or those who don't speak much, you will find them, they are quiet, but they have that leadership ability. What is leadership ability? Is to gather everybody and to complete a task. Very strong-willed and very ambitious. So if they have big goals, big dreams, want to achieve all of them, and they have knowledge about almost so many things they have knowledge about, okay? They might not have studied. It's not necessary for them to have studied. They might be an engineer and might be talking to you about maybe a health tip or maybe a makeup tip. And some of you are smiling. Yes, they are very good project beginners. Anything that you have to initiate, anything you have to begin, number one, people, you are really, really great at it. And you don't like careless behavior of other people. So if you are around number one people, do not be careless. They don't like careless behavior because they are very careful themselves. And they don't like that a very demanding or a bossy person be around them. They don't like to be bossed around. So you cannot control them. You cannot tell them, oh, you go here, you go that. They'll not be your friends. If you have a number one and you want to be friendly with them, they will be the boss. You cannot be the boss with number one people. And even if he is or she is your subordinate, remember, they are so smart, they will try to control you at every aspect. And if you have a number one friend, you are definitely very fortunate, because number one friend people are very loyal to their friends. They stand up, okay? And they, because of their determination or the strength that they have, lot of people like, the reflection of so much of power that is there in them. And they don't work for money, basically. Yes, money is power. Money is important. But they work for respect, dignity. That is what they work for. They would want people to respect them, show them the dignity. That is what they want. Now, health-wise, what do they need to take care of? Shoulder, back, upper back, lower back, both. Heart, they need to be a little careful about, okay? I'll not go too much into detail and scare you all. Liver, they need to take care of the digestion. And it's just, usually you'll have that back, but back, lower back and upper back both. Sometimes upper back and sometimes lower back. And the liver. So food and all, be very careful about number one people. What professions they would be good at? They will be very good at an IAS, IPS. There's somebody in a government role, somebody who has power, somebody who is in a senior role. That kind of roles will really suit them. If they're engineers, they need to be given more responsibility and more power, and they will definitely, live up to the reputation of being number one. So number one people can be engineers, doctors, medical professionals. They can be good teachers, and they can also do the preaching part also really well. Now, what are they not good at? They are very dominating at times, because they want their way always, most of the time. So it's not that they'll not be able to work in a group, but they would not like to be ill-treated. Respect, as I mentioned, is very important to them. So you can work with number one really well as long as you respect that team member. It does not matter their age, it does not matter their seniority. If you give them respect, they will give their life to you. Yes, some of you are nodding your head. Sometimes they can get overconfident because they realize that other people are not aware of so much as they know, which makes them sometimes overconfident. And for some, if they start something, completion of the task sometimes become a problem, so they need somebody to push them to complete a task. So it's not like a work not to be completed. They start doing something, they start learning a dance class, they go, they learn everything, and then they might leave midway. Okay, they need further motivation, so a partner who will push them to do that. Number one people are anyways the first number, but the strongest of all. But in spite of the most important thing, if you are with number one people, you can do is give them immense amount of validation. Tell them that how important they are. They also like to hear what they're good at. Okay, so next time we come with number,